Hi there guys, thank you for tuning in to another episode of New Shoes on the Table. Today I am going to be showing you another pair of Nike AirMax 1s in Phantom Khaki, and yeah, in size 12 from the shop Feature. And we're going to have a look. You know, the typical Nike box standard. Yeah. So yeah, Air Max 1 ESS Phantom Khaki or wood brown. Yeah, pretty standard look really. Air Max 1. Simple, clean looks. As you know, in my previous videos, I do like the simple look. Yeah, so you got the standard bubble of the Air Max 1, and yeah, a nice kind of leather finish on the toe box, and like almost like a suede-ish material in yeah, Phantom and khaki brown. Inside, standard really. But yeah, nice looking shoe. The reason I got these was because it is a pretty simple look that you could probably wear with most outfits, and it's not going to clash too much or be too coarse with the style. It's quite a neutral look, and yeah, as you can see, they're both the Nike Air standard, and yeah, I like it. So thank you once again for watching New Shoes on the Table. Like and subscribe, and let me know what you think. See ya.